Take a deep breath and allow yourself to be here, fully present in this moment. You are in the right place, and everything you need to know will come to you with ease. The universe is always speaking to you, guiding you, supporting you. The key is to listen, to focus, and to align yourself with the natural flow of life. Your thoughts, your beliefs, and your assumptions are shaping your reality right now. Whether you realize it or not, the law of the universe is always at work. It does not take a break. It does not stop to question whether something is fair or not. It simply responds to the energy you send out. This is why focus is so important. Whatever you focus on, you give power to. If you focus on love, joy, and abundance, the universe mirrors that back to you. If you focus on fear, lack, or doubt, you will find more of that in your life. Many people struggle because they allow their minds to wander in all directions. They react to everything around them, rather than consciously choosing where to place their energy. But you are not here to live by default. You are here to be the creator of your experience. The moment you bring your focus to what you truly desire, something magical happens. The energy shifts. The universe begins to rearrange itself to match your inner world. This is how assumptions become reality. Assumption is not just wishful thinking. It is a deep, unwavering knowing. When you assume something to be true, you align yourself with the energy of that truth. If you assume you are loved, you will attract love. If you assume you are successful, opportunities will come to you effortlessly. The universe does not question your assumption, it simply reflects it back. But to activate this power, you must be focused. You cannot assume one thing and then entertain doubts the next moment. That is like planting a seed and then digging it up to see if it is growing. You must trust, believe, and hold your focus steady. Meditation is one of the most powerful ways to develop this focus. When you meditate, you train your mind to be still, to be present, and to connect with the deeper truth within you. It is in this stillness that you can truly listen to your inner wisdom. When you quiet the noise of the outside world, you can hear the voice of your soul. And that voice is always guiding you toward the highest and best for you. Take a moment right now to close your eyes and breathe deeply. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more centered, more present. Let go of any distractions, any worries, any doubts. In this moment, choose to focus on one powerful assumption, something you wish to be true in your life. Maybe it is, I am healthy and strong. Maybe it is, I am worthy of love. Whatever it is, hold that thought with certainty. Feel it as if it is already your reality. The more you do this, the more natural it becomes. Your mind begins to accept this assumption as fact, and soon, your outer world starts to shift to match it. This is not magic, it is the law of the universe. It is how energy works. What you assume, you become. But, consistency is key. A scattered mind creates a scattered reality. A focused mind creates a powerful, aligned life. Throughout your day, be mindful of where your focus is going. Are you focusing on what you want, or are you letting fear and doubt take over? Each moment is a choice. You have the power to redirect your thoughts at any time. If you catch yourself slipping into negativity, do not judge yourself, simply shift your focus back to what you truly desire. The more you practice this, the easier it becomes. One of the greatest truths of the universe is that nothing is ever withheld from you. The love, the success, the joy, it is all available to you right now. The only thing that determines whether you experience it or not is your focus and your belief. When you assume something is yours, you open the door for it to come into your life. When you doubt yourself, you close that door. So, let today be the day you choose to focus on what truly matters. Assume the best for yourself. Assume that life is working in your favor. Assume that everything is unfolding perfectly for you. And watch as the universe rises to meet you in ways more beautiful than you can imagine. Take another deep breath, my dear ones. You are powerful. You are loved. And you are always supported by the infinite intelligence of the universe. Each thought you think is a brushstroke on the canvas of your life. Every moment presents an opportunity to direct your energy towards something meaningful. The power of the universe is not something outside of you, it is within you, responding to the way you think and feel. Your assumptions are the instructions you give to life. They shape your experiences, relationships, and even your sense of self. It is not about waiting for circumstances to change before you believe in a better outcome. It is about training your mind to hold a vision so strongly that life has no choice but to align with it. Many people misunderstand the creative force within them. They believe life is random, that luck determines success, and that happiness is something they must chase. But the truth is, everything is already here, waiting for you to claim it. The way you claim it is through your state of being. If you move through the world expecting difficulty, you will find obstacles at every turn. If you expect ease, you will notice solutions appearing effortlessly. It is not a matter of pretending, true belief goes beyond words. It requires a deep trust that what you seek is already available to you. A focused mind does not mean forcing yourself to be positive all the time. It is about choosing where to direct your attention. When unwanted thoughts arise, it is not about fighting them or fearing them. It is about gently shifting towards something that serves you. If you get stuck in doubt, pause and breathe. Ask yourself, what do I want to experience right now? Instead of worrying, choose certainty. Instead of fear, choose peace. This shift in perspective may seem small, but it holds incredible power. Your energy is constantly influencing your life. Have you ever noticed that when you are in a good mood, everything seems to flow effortlessly? People respond to you with kindness, opportunities arise, and life feels lighter. On the other hand, when you are filled with worry, everything feels difficult. This is not a coincidence. Your state of being determines what you attract. The universe does not respond to words alone, it responds to energy. This is why genuine belief is so powerful. You cannot simply say, I am abundant, while feeling fearful about lack. The feeling behind the words must match the truth you are claiming. If there is one thing to take from this, it is that focus is a gift. It is your greatest tool for creating a fulfilling life. The more you refine your ability to direct your energy, the more effortlessly you will experience the things you desire. This is not wishful thinking, it is the way life works. Everything begins in the unseen before it manifests in the physical world. Your thoughts, your emotions, and your assumptions are setting the foundation for what is to come. The more clarity you have, the faster you will see results. You hold more power than you have been taught to believe. Everything you seek is within reach, but it requires a shift in how you approach life. The mind is always searching for something to focus on, and the choice is yours. You can give your attention to problems, or you can give your attention to solutions. You can dwell on limitations, or you can lean into possibilities. The universe is not withholding anything from you, it is waiting for you to align with what you truly want. There is nothing complicated about this. You do not need to figure everything out at once. You do not need to struggle or force results. The only thing required is a decision to direct your focus toward what matters. Small shifts in thinking lead to big changes over time. Every time you catch yourself doubting, you have an opportunity to redirect. Every time you feel overwhelmed, you have a chance to center yourself. You are not powerless in any situation. Your perspective shapes your experience, and that is something you always have control over.